She represents the fourth generation of actors from the prestigious Kapoor family. And while she belongs to what many have called the privileged club, Kareena says she faced her own set of struggles in her almost 21-year-long career. Kareena was speaking to a noted journalist in an interview when she was asked to give her opinion on the heated debates and angry arguments going on currently about nepotism, bullying, and how star kids are allegedly favored over outsiders who have to face a long and often isolating struggle to find a footing within the industry. Kareena is also amongst the many celebs who was attacked viciously by online trolls for being a part of a group that shunned and badmouthed Sushant. As someone who's been in the industry for almost 21 years now, Kareena Kapoor Khan has had her share of highs and lows, some great hits and some box office duds. In a recent interview with a journalist, Kareena Kapoor Khan spoke on the most controversial term, nepotism, and how merely being a star kid does not guarantee a long-term career, and why she is not apologetic for not having the struggle her other colleagues from outside the industry may have had. Speaking about this raging debate, Kareena ने कहा कि इस वक्त इस सिचुएशन को ठीक से समझने की जरूरत है instead of merely attacking each other. Speaking about her long career in Bollywood, Kareena said, 21 years of working would not have happened with just nepotism. It is not possible. I can take a long list out of superstars' children for whom it's not been able to happen that way. Kareena also added कि सिर्फ स्टार किड या फिल्म फैमिली के कनेक्शन से एक सक्सेसफुल करियर नहीं बन सकता. उसके लिए टैलेंट और मेहनत की जरूरत है and the willingness to reinvent yourself constantly. Kareena also added that while many may not see it or agree, struggle उन्हें भी करना पड़ा है. शायद ये outsiders के struggle से अलग था, लेकिन उनके struggle को discount नहीं किया जा सकता. It might sound weird, but my struggle is there. There is a struggle, but it is probably not as interesting as somebody who comes in a train with just 10 rupees in his pocket. Yes, it's not been that, and I can't be apologetic about it, the actor said. According to Kareena, film background से भी ज़्यादा important है audience approval. Giving the example of Shah Rukh Khan and Akshay Kumar, who are superstars today but started out as complete outsiders, Kareena commented, "The audience has made us. Nobody else has made us." The same people pointing fingers, they are only making these nepotistic stars. आप जा रहे हो ना फिल्म देखने? मत जाओ. Nobody has forced you. The idea is that today so many of our biggest stars whom you have chosen, whether it is Akshay Kumar or Shah Rukh Khan or Ayushmann Khurrana or Rajkumar Rao, are all outsiders. They are successful actors because they have worked hard. Whether it is Alia Bhatt or Kareena Kapoor, we have also worked hard. You are enjoying our films and watching them. So it's the audience that makes or breaks us. Lekin Kangna, who has been championing an online campaign against several of her colleagues in Bollywood, has responded immediately to Kareena's comments and made a long list of allegations against her again and questioned all her clarifications. Kangna's team posted a series of posts on social media where they wrote, "Yes, Kareena ji, audience has made you all rich and famous. But they didn't know after getting undeserving success, you all will turn Bollywood into Bullywood. Please explain. Why your best friend asked Kangna to leave the industry? Why Sushant was banned from big production houses? Why they called Kangna a witch and Sushant a rapist? Why your ecosystem called Kangna and Sushant bipolar? Why your fellow Nepo kid, after promising marriage, filed criminal cases on her? Why were Kangna and Sushant isolated in the industry and never called for any parties? No one wished them on their film releases, birthdays or successes." It seems that finding a common ground is going to be a long, hard struggle with so much anger and so many misgivings on either side of the table. उम्मीद यही है कि सिनेमा और बॉलीवुड के बेनिफिट के लिए लोग अपने डिफरेंसेस भुलाकर फिर एक होंगे और एक साथ बॉलीवुड को एक सेफ और कंफर्टेबल वर्क स्पेस बनाएंगे।